Fly Babies. Hello, my lions, living in our new strength. Today is Thursday. I'm your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today, we have our 3-layer cake. The first layer is our routines, and we're going to talk about those first. The second layer is the basic weekly plan item. The thing we're doing today for Thursday is Errand Day. And then the third thing we're going to do is our zone. We are in zone 2, the kitchen. So let's start with our routines. Okay, so you're going to get up this morning before the family, hopefully, get dressed, do your morning routine, swish and swipe, put on your makeup, your perfume, a little jewelry, go and make sure your bed is made if there's no one in it. Go get in the kitchen and empty the dishwasher or the dishes, make yourself a little breakfast, and that's basically your morning routine. Take a second to look at your daily planner to see what's going on. I know you looked at it last night, but look at it again and see if there are any changes, because with life there are changes, right? So do you need to adjust something? Okay, look and see what you're having for dinner. If it's crock pot, get things in the crock pot, especially if you're going to work. You won't be able to save that later. The next thing we're going to do is get our kids up, or do our chores types of routines. So one or the other. If you have kind of chores that you have to do for your pets or your farm or your yard or whatever it is, some little chore you do repeatedly every single day, that'll be part of your morning routine. So it's like step 2 or step 3, depending on if your kids need to help. If your kids need to help, get them up, get them helping. Get their morning routine done and get them helping. All right, so once that's all done, if you're a payroll lion, you're going to get in the car and go to work. When you get there, you're going to do your normal thing. Say hello to everyone, go to your desk, open your control journal, and get to work. When you have your breaks and your lunches, be sure to take them. Today is errand day. You may be able to run some errands on your lunch hour. You won't be able to buy groceries. It seems that's an impossibility. However, you can order your groceries to have them delivered when you're home, or you can delegate that to someone, or you can order them to be picked up either today on your way home or on Saturday. Okay. Now let's think about the weekly home blessing hour. So if you've been doing 10 minutes a day, you know that you've already stripped your bed and put on fresh sheets. You've already emptied the garbage, and you've already done the dusting. So today, let's wipe the glass. Just spots off the mirrors, not the whole thing, just the little spots off mirrors and glass, 10 minutes or less in the whole house, okay? So that's what you're going to be doing for your weekly home blessing hour, or delegating, or saving till Saturday. But if you do it today, you won't have to do it on Saturday. All right, next thing we're gonna do is when you come home, we're gonna start our laundry. We're going to go through an inch of paper. We're going to start our supper, and then while supper is simmering, instead of just standing there or fussing with the kids or whatever it is, stop. Take this moment to do your 10 minutes to 10 to 15 minutes in the kitchen. We're doing the kitchen routine, so you're right there. Wipe some cabinets down. Empty out underneath the sink. Do something that takes you 10 minutes or less, maybe 15 max, or declutter in there. If you've allowed it to become recluttered, or you haven't gotten it decluttered yet, start by decluttering in there for 15 minutes. Throw away, put away, give away. When the time is up, take the things to the garbage, to the car for giveaway, and to the and go put the other things away. So 15 minutes or so. And that is, if you have to do your own weekly home blessing hour and you have to do your own kitchen zone, then that's 25 minutes. Surely your food can hold for 25 minutes while it's cooking in the oven, simmering on the stove, or continuing in the crock pot on warm. You can do that. And then you will save yourself all day Saturday. All right, then we're going to join together with our at-home fly babies for the after-dinner routine. Let me take care of my at-home fly babies for a minute. Hello, at-home fly babies. Okay, my lions, you are strong. You are living in your own new strength too. And so now, living in our new strength, we're going to do, after the morning routine and you've had breakfast, the kids have had breakfast, either you're homeschooling or you're sending your kids off to school, or you don't have kids, doesn't matter. Next step is step 2, the basic weekly plan. So the basic weekly plan today is you're going to get out of the house and go do your errands. That's what you're going to do. So go do your errands. Now you might want to flip it around and do your zone first, 10 to 15 minutes in your kitchen, and then go do your errands. But don't delay on either one of those. One follows the other, okay? So go do your errands. That means drop the stuff off that you've collected in the trunk of your car for giveaway. It means go to the post office, go to the library, go to the grocery store. When you get home, you cleaned your fridge out a little bit yesterday, so now you can prep everything and get it put in the refrigerator and the freezer. And now you've got all your meals for the week, and that makes you feel great, doesn't it? Okay, I hope you didn't forget things like dishwasher soap or softener or toilet paper. Those things can go on that little list on the front of the refrigerator as you run out, and instruct the family to do the same if you depend on them. If they're not dependable, then when they say, Mom, we're out of toilet paper, you're ding, go right, here's one more roll, honey, go write it on your list. And then you won't have that issue. Okay, because I don't want you running back and forth to the grocery store, and besides that, you've stayed under, right? You've stayed under your limit, so when you start going back to the store, you're going to start going over your limit, and that's not what I want for you. All right, so after that, you've got your laundry put away because you started it this morning, so you might have to put it away. You might have to fluff it again when you come home from the grocery store if it wasn't dry yet. Just fluff it again, get it warm and sweet, fold it, hang it up, and put it away. That's a 7-minute project. You can do this. Okay, next thing is enjoy the rest of your day and then fix dinner. After dinner, we're going to do the after dinner routine. All of us together are payroll and at-home lions. We're strong, and you know that you've got this sisterhood, possibly brotherhood of people helping you do the after dinner routine, which is everyone cleans up after themselves and helps a little bit with the general cleaning. You can do this. All right, after that, we're going to do our before bed routine, and you're done. Don't forget to check your planner. Always remember that you are beautiful.